Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to give you a recommendation on a Law of Attraction book, one of the best books to start with. Of course there's really good ones, so you can see on the screen here when you type that into Amazon or anywhere, into Google, you'll see loads and loads. I mean, looking here, Law of Attraction books, there's over 7,000 results for Law of Attraction books, and probably more than that. You've got like Esther and Jerry Hicks, which is a really good one. You've got a lot of brand new authors as well. Handbook, Adam Ravi, loads of new books, loads of authors here that are really good stuff, okay? But when you're trying to use the Law of Attraction, you probably thought, what's the best book to start with? And I'm actually going to give you my recommendation. And it's a bit different than the go-to stuff like Esther and Jerry Hicks and so on. I'm going to give you the best one that I recommend, and this will especially help if you're looking for money as well. Just to say, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is a really good one. Joseph Murphy. It's not strictly about the Law of Attraction, but that's definitely a really good book to check out. But the one I want to give you and that I recommend is a book by a guy called Wallace D. Wattles, and it was written a long time ago. I can't remember the exact year. In fact, I'll just check for you. So check this out. Wallace Wattles, The Science of Getting Rich. And it was actually written in 1910. So way before all sort of the mainstream Law of Attraction stuff and lots of books and courses and all that sort of stuff coming out. It was written a long time ago, more than 100 years ago, and it is the book that I recommend that you start with. He actually wrote, you might want to check this out, he wrote 9 books in total, but this is by far his most popular nowadays. The Science of Being Great is also a good one, so he did a lot of science. Check it out, and this is the thing to remember. If you haven't read it, yes, it deals with money, so if you're using the Law of Attraction for money, you'll really love it. And also, it doesn't mention the Law of Attraction as just like we do now, but have a read of it and you will see that there's a lot of similarities between it and The Secret that was popular in the sort of 2000s, and you'll be able to see sort of where all this stuff came from, and I think that it's a lot thorough. It's a much better book. So if you haven't read that, that's a recommendation for Law of Attraction and for definitely for attracting money. So do check that out. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll speak to you really soon.